Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to get the package name in Android. So whenever we install any kind of React Native project, so how to get to know about the package name, because that is required to add into the Firebase console. So how we are going to get the package names? For that we have a command. So let's use it. So this is the command, right? This is the command. Go to your React Native project with a folder and add this one. So here my package name is com.auth tutorial, right? So this is the package name. If this command is not working for you, so what we have to do, you need to install the pcre grep. So if when you install this one, after this you will run this command, you will get the package name of that Android project, right? So yeah, that's it for now. So this way you will get the package name, or and then you can add it into the Firebase console. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do like, share and comment.